Hi dropshippers, how are you? Today we are going to see how to integrate Mailchimp pop-up to our Shopify partners account or our Shopify dropshipping stores. So let's begin. Let's go to mailchimp.com. Let's sign up for free. I'm providing my business email. This is my business email. I'm providing a password. We have to provide a special character. Let's sign up. Now activate the Mailchimp account. Activate account. I'm providing my first name, my last name, my business name, my phone number, next. You can escape them. I'm selecting some. You can select automations or sign up forms if you wanted it. I'm skipping it. First one. I think we are all done. Now I have to choose a plan. I'm choosing the free. Yes, we're done. Now we have to integrate it to our Shopify store. Now connect the site. Now we need to integrate this app to our Shopify store. This is my email for my Shopify account. There are some stores. I'm choosing this one. Install app. Login again. We're done. Just log into our Mailchimp account with this store. Great. I think we're all done. You can see we have total 17 products in our store. It's showing here. There is the option recover abandoned cart. You can run a campaign for your abandoned cart audience, and you can run different campaign from this one, and you can create a different campaign for your repeated customer from this selection tab. So that's it. That was the integration process. I hope you have enjoyed it.